Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Copper Mountain, a small former mining community located just south of Princeton in British Columbia. This area grew around copper mining operations that began in the early 20th century and supported workers and their families for many years. The name Copper Mountain comes directly from the large copper deposits found in the surrounding hills. The town once had houses, schools, and businesses built to support the mine, but most of the original community disappeared after the operations shut down in the 1950s. Today, the area is mostly known for the modern open-pit mine nearby and the history that shaped the region. You can still see signs of the old town site and some remaining structures.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Copper Mountain, British Columbia.